Hi guys, I'm Anne from Geeks of Green and I'm going to do a quick tour of a beautiful nursery called the Enchanted Gardens Nursery, which is in Pune. We have just exited the Mumbai-Pune expressway and we've come a few kilometers off that, and that is when we spotted this nursery. We thought of doing a tour for you because it looks quite interesting. Due to COVID restrictions, I will be wearing my mask continuously. Now, the first thing that you see when you enter is this very gigantic, huge Monstera Deliciosa at 9,500, and there are smaller ones for those of you who don't want the bigger ones. This is at 410 rupees. And see the span of this one leaf, it's quite big, isn't it? Let's move forward. There's a huge pot of peace lilies here in extremely good health and blooming. So let's see how much this costs. It's at 5,500. It's a very, very huge pot. You will know when I stand next to it. It's pretty huge. So here there is an array of smaller plants, very interesting plants. We have the Volcanicola, Oxalis Volcanicola at 60 bucks. We have the bubble plant at 100. We have petunias, a variety of petunias. Then we also have a lot of brooms. These brooms at 60. See, this one's flowering. Caparatas at 180. Nice lush caparatas, and these are flowering. This is a strobilanthus. It's at 60. Quite nice. Purple shield. It's called the purple shield also. It's got this beautiful purple color. So cordyline fruticosas, there are 2-3 variants. This one, then this one, and there's this one as well. It's not coming out. This one as well. For 55. We have some tiny syngoniums here for 35. Smaller ones. Many variants. What I like here is they have put price tags and they have put names of plants as best as they can for all the plants that are displayed over here. So you don't have to keep going and asking people for it. It's all there right here, so you can make your decision. Those are Peperomia obtusifolias for 60 bucks. There is the variegated one. This one is the variegated one, and this is the variegated one. It does quite well. It's quite a hardy plant, and that's a non-variegated one. Lives for pretty long too. And as usual, our Epipremnum aureum, that is money plant or golden pothos as you know it. We have different variants here. We have some dwarf scheffleras at 85 rupees. We have even the variegated one here, one small variegated fellow. I really liked him, so cute, and he's there. There are more variegated ones. He's lost his way, we'll put him back. Okay, this is where he belongs. I think the variegated one is for 160. The non-variegated one is for 85. You have seen the mug designs we made here at Geeks of Green. If you haven't, I'll leave it in the description down below. I always wanted to try my hand at making my own designs, but never knew how to digitize my drawings. Skillshare reached out to me to sponsor a video, and so I decided to explore the platform. Skillshare is an online learning community which has thousands of online classes for you to explore and discover your passions, sharpen your skills, and truly get lost in creativity. I found a lot of classes that really caught my attention. I ended up taking classes on graphic design and illustrations and have been getting better at it daily. Moreover, there are umpteen classes on gardening as well that you will really find helpful. The best part is that this platform is truly focused on learning, so you will not find any distracting ads. They keep launching new classes curated by industry leaders. The other interesting aspect is that you don't have to pay for individual classes. It is a one-time subscription model where you get access to any topic that interests you. The annual subscription is for Rs 1,788, which is just Rs 149 per month. That's like buying one money plant or a croton plant. And in return, you get to explore a treasure chest full of precious learning. If you've been thinking of upskilling in a new area, Skillshare might just be the push you need. It really helps because Skillshare is not just a platform for classes, but a strong community of fellow creatives who encourage, communicate, and inspire. So if this has inspired you, I have good news for you. The first 2,000 people can use the link given in the description down below to get a free trial to access Skillshare and explore the platform. So click on the link and make use of this great opportunity. We have some gorgeous looking episcias, and I think I'm going to pick some of them up. They are very beautiful, very healthy, quite big as well. Okay, we have Aralias for 60 rupees here. And we have Pilea peperomioides. They're smaller ones for 120. So here we have a sea of Oxalis triangularis, and they are very perky, very healthy, with a lot of beautiful flowers here blooming. And these are one of my favorite plants. There are two variants here. You can see the difference in the leaves. Check. This is one. This is another one. They're very gorgeous. Now we have these tiny Ficus lyratas, fiddle leaf figs as you know it. I think these are the Bandeno ones if I'm not mistaken, or they're really young plants. The price of them is on that side. Let's check it out. $190. Here we have an array of alocasias at $250. Black velvet alocasias, which is the name is Reginula. It's very cute, velvety, round leaves, and very pretty alocasias. So they're at $250. African violets at $110. And we have the other variant of Oxalis triangularis at $165. These are Calathea roseo pictas, and pretty nice. These are priced at $400. They're doing quite well in the summer because of the shade cloth and the humidity inside this area. So if you're looking to buy calatheas in the summer, you have to treat them with extra love and care. So we have an array of fishbone calatheas, 320. That is Calathea vittata for 320. Again, little big ones, quite nice. Calathea beauty star, a variant of the ornata, belongs to the ornata family, at 320 again. This is the Magarus again, another variant of the fishbone the fishbone calathea. And here we have something that will interest everyone, the Calathea orbifolia at 340 rupees only. And I am going to pick one up for sure. Isn't it pretty? I know I lost mine, and I always say don't pick calatheas in summer, but this is very difficult to resist. We have some rattlesnake calatheas, that is Calathea lancifolias at again 320. And next to that we have the Macoyana, very hardy, beautiful calatheas. These both are good calatheas, very easy to care for in comparison with the other ones. And they're also at 320. So we have the Sanderianas here, we have the Setosas there, Consinias on the other end. So these are all beautiful calatheas and all of them are at 320 bucks. Since this is a really huge nursery, I would not be able to cover every single plant that's there here. I will try to highlight the plants that really stand out in this nursery. We have an array of Asplenium nidus or bird's nest ferns, different variants, different cultivars. Some are chryses. I think there are some chryses over there, and some are there are many different names that go with these bird's nest ferns. They are priced at around 220 rupees for the smaller ones. Okay, so here we have some very healthy Xanthosoma lindenis. You can see how they are. They're looking so very perky. So here we have the Philodendron Voswixi aurea flap and the Xanthosoma lindeni over here. I'll put all the names on the screen because I'm not sure about the pronunciations. And these are the very juvenile leaves. They become very different when they grow up. There are some big rattlesnake Calathea lancifolias here. They're pretty tall and they're priced at 540. We have some ornatas, Sanderianas and Rosiopictas at 480. And we have some bigger orbifolias, some more settled ones. It makes sense to buy these at 520, I believe. Yeah, 520. ZZ Ravens here at 750. Zamioculcas zamifolia Raven cultivar at 750. The normal one is there over there at 220. We have another variant right there over there. You can point the camera there. That's the Zenzi. We'll move there. We have the ZZ Zenzi at 280. It's quite cute. Looks very different. Another huge monstera. Look at the size of the leaf. I want to pose with it, please. Just see how huge it is. head test. I don't feel like ever doing a head test with my monstera. It's got pretty small leaves. But this one is really a good size. You can see the size of the pot, you can see the size of the plant, and it's got a lot of space to spread out. And in ideal conditions, it looks really beautiful. We have some lovely philodendron Birkin at 650 rupees. There's this very beautiful spot here where they have got vines shooting up, and it's called the Eva vine. It's written Eva, so I don't know the name of this vine, but that's what the nursery guys are saying. And there are some deliciosas, Monstera deliciosas, the smaller ones at 280 rupees, resting right under here. There's this one spot for people to sit and relax, which is nice. Okay, so over here we have some alocasias, we have peace lilies, we have the ficus elastica, the rubber plants, and aglonemas, diffenbachia, small plants. So many of them, common ones. I wouldn't be showing you those. What I will be showing you, I'll be taking you to that section right there in the corner. That's having some philodendrons that are quite big. They're bigger in size, so that looks pretty interesting. So we'll go and have a look at that. Some Scheffleras right here, and we have some money plants, neon, Epipremnumorium neons. Here we have Hedraceums, Philodendron Hedraceum Brazil, and over there we have an Erubescens. It's quite long actually. You can see they've taken it multiple times. It's quite huge. Some Philodendron Hedraceums, the non-variegated one. This is the neon, I believe. Money plants, Varsvixie. These are the bigger ones. You see how the leaves change and how they look so different. This one here is a Philodendron Ceylon, bigger ones. This is the black cardinal. This is at 750 bucks, the black cardinal. This here is the Philodendron Pedatum at, I can't find the price anywhere or a tag. These smaller monsteras, they're at $1,000, 1,050 or something like that. So these are Dracaena mesonianas, and they definitely make a statement because of the perky leaves and the colors as well. They really stand out. These are, the smaller ones are at 410, and the bigger ones I'm sure are much expensive. But here we also have the Philodendron Goldii at 1,350, is it? 1,350, yes. Another very nice plant. Okay, so this section is for full sun plants. You can see the bamboo there, and there are many cycas palms and so many bougainvilleas and all sorts of flowering plants. I'm not even entering here because it's a lot of area and I cannot cover it in one day. So I'm just going to show you this section. Maybe if you come down here, you can check it out. But I really wanted to highlight one thing, is this washroom. I know it's very silly and weird of me to show this to you guys, but it is worth showcasing. These people have a superb idea where they have grown some madhumalti on top of this washroom, and it smells like heaven. Though it's a washroom, it smells so good. The madhumalti blooms are in full, the madhumalti is in full blooms, and the fragrance it's emanating is like so awesome. It's a wonderful idea they have used. a natural freshener, room freshener, you can say, for their washroom. And it looks also so pretty. This is an area with a lot of succulents. Okay, this whole around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tables full of different succulents, and the prices are pretty good. They're priced at 45. The smaller ones are priced at 45, 50, 100, 60, 80. So these prices are quite affordable, quite nice, and beautiful ones. I really enjoyed being in Enchanted Gardens nursery. It was so much fun for me. I hope you enjoyed this video too. And if you live anywhere near Pune or in Pune and haven't visited this nursery yet, make it a point to go there because there are some really good plants that you can pick up over there. If you did like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. It makes us very happy. And I hope to see you next week in another video. Till then, stay green.